Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, why am I late? I generally try to be on time when functions start. But today, I'll tell you the reasons. There are two. One is a person, one is my distinguished colleague, Justice Akhtar. He's one of the causes for me being late because he told me कि आपकी हजामत पहले हो फिर आप आइएगा. So I accepted the directive and went to have my haircut. But when I reached there was only one barber and a gentleman was doing a facial, which took forever. So these are the two reasons why I am late. Otherwise, I would have been on time. In fact, I would have come straight from my chambers here.